Well, shit. Damn, the car was literally running like an hour ago. Now I'm taking the whole harness out because it's like all so shitty. If you look at the harness, like, this is bad. That doesn't look how it's supposed to. Just, you know, everything's all gross. So I think I'm gonna redo it because the whole harness is just really bad. And then it's all dirty. Delete some PCV stuff. And yeah, let me show y'all what I'm working with inside. Got the harness out. Slowly feeding everything through the hole. See if you can see some light. Yeah. Fucking yeah. So I'm gonna redo all this harness. See how far I can get today. Started stripping a bunch of shit. I'm gonna go coil on plug. I got a new connector for this. I got a little wheel in there. Just cleaning stuff up right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it just yet, and then just kind of deleting a bunch of bullshit. This is all a mess. I don't know if I want to wire tuck all this or not. I'm just kind of having it laying in there, and yeah, still a fucking mess everywhere. It's a little bit later now and cleaned everything up. I just kind of rerouted it through the inside of the bumper. So I got to kind of make a mount or something, and then this will be like this, and I'll still have access to it. I do have some wires I got to extend in order for them to touch the lower harness, and yeah. And I got some stuff I can cut off of the lower harness that I don't need. Once that's done, clean every single little thing up and then start doing wiring. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about getting another bottle. I don't like the placement of this. It's right there. I'm thinking about getting like a little bottle over here or hidden somewhere. Just want as little things as possible and little amount of things to go wrong. So yeah, I got the radiator out too. This is as far as I got, just cleaning the engine, and it looks better, but shit, it took forever. Whole thing is clean, well, the engine and like part of the subframe, and I'm dying right now. Yeah, like I don't know if it can get any cleaner than that. Like I gotta go over some spots with like not a toothbrush, like flathead. But yeah, cleaning done. I deleted a bunch of stuff from the harness. These are for the coil packs. This is all the stuff I deleted over here. 4 connectors, they don't do anything. Coil packs. Harness. Here are the new coil packs, 2017 Sentra ones. They're Hitachi or whatever, right? Hanshin. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, and then I got the whole lower harness installed again, running through the core support. Still need to do some stuff on the fuse box. And yeah, let's see what else, if I can get the alternator on at least. Alrighty, so I got some stuff wired up. The IAT, kind of. I just need to ground. And then the crank angle sensor, got most of the stuff kind of like pinned out where it's supposed to go. I just need some red wire so I don't mix that up, and like, you know, just route that all back in the cabin. Next I gotta do the injector clips. These are brand new. Just little details. Here's my little wiring diagram for sequential. As you can see, I need some relays and stuff that I don't have yet. And then for the back, just kind of how it's gonna route throughout the car. And yeah, I think that's all I need. And I also got coil packs. So yeah, I gotta wire these all up too. See how far I can get today. So yeah, so far I have what's that? 5 wires. Still need like 20 more. And yeah, but the little the loom came out kind of clean. It's a little chunky over here, but that's cool. Yep. I got a bunch more done. I did all the trigger on the injector clips. These are just for 12 volts, but I did all the triggers. All the wires are done for that. And then I got the for the IAT, I did the signal and the ground, as well as this one, but I don't have the sensor for this. Found out a bunch of shit for the distributor. I just need a red wire. I ran out of red wire, that's why I don't have the crank wired up. Also, I don't know where I'm gonna get 12 volts or how to, you know, wire this up. It's gonna be tricky. And then it's for the fan, which the relay is somewhere in there. And then this is for the fuel pump, which is somewhere inside there. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might find a diagram and then just fucking, you know, short stop it there instead of having to wire a long ass wire through the engine bay. And then what else? Yeah, I also ran out of wire, like the color for the coil packs. I need gray and stuff like that, and like some striped wires, so that's why I didn't do the coil packs. Then I think that'll be all once I get the other sensors and stuff. But yeah, it's all. Now there's some actual wires coming out, which is cool. So yeah, once I get all those sensors, I'll do like the perfect length or whatever, and then solder, and then yeah, and like, you know, shield it and stuff. It's looking good though. It's looking good.